Bosch has developed a solution for particulate filter regeneration, especially for heavy commercial vehicles, the Departronic 2. It can also be implemented in medium-weight commercial vehicles and off-highway applications. The Departronic 2 meters the diesel fuel into the exhaust tract in front of the oxidation catalytic converter. Within the catalytic converter, a reaction occurs with the exhaust gas oxygen, creating additional warmth. The temperature is thus raised to such a degree that the particulate stored in the filter is burnt off. The Departronic has significant advantages over the secondary post-injection method, reduces or even completely prevents the dilution of engine oil with fuel. Longer intervals between oil changes are the result. The desired rise in temperature is reached more efficiently, which reduces fuel consumption. This makes the Departronic 2 the most economical solution for reliable, active particulate filter regeneration.
Bosch, invented for life.